On Saturday, the Muslim side in the 1991 Mulwad case of the Gyanvapi complex completed its argument. Both parties have now presented their cases under the Lord Visheshwar versus Anjuman Intezamia Committee dispute. Today, advocates from the Anjuman Intezamia Committee and the Waqf Board concluded their arguments, and the Civil Judge Senior Division Fast Track Court, presided by Jugal Shambhu, is expected to deliver a verdict on October 25. This case, rooted 33 years ago, involves a petition seeking the right of worship for Hindus and the construction of a new temple. Madan Mohan Yadav, the lawyer for the Hindu side, accused the Muslim side of delaying and misleading the case. He also suggested that the ongoing hearings indicate the seriousness of the matters, especially when linked to the High Court's order. Earlier, the court had heard arguments regarding a petition for an archaeological survey of India survey. The Anjuman Intezamia Committee presented its stance on this petition on October 8. In this long-standing legal battle, the main plaintiff has passed away, leaving the matter in the hands of the current advocate. The Hindu side has claimed that a shivling lies beneath the mosque's central dome and demanded further excavation, arguing that the previous ASI survey was incomplete without it. The Jharkhand High Court has directed the state government to submit an affidavit regarding children who are victims of human trafficking, seeking key information. The court inquired about the government's rehabilitation efforts and whether any special schemes or policies exist for these children. This notice was issued during the hearing of a criminal petition related to a missing girl from the Mahuadanar police station area in the Latehar district. The court also requested an update on the actions taken so far. The government stated that the efforts are underway to locate the girl, and a special investigation team has been formed which has already rescued some trafficking victims. The state government has requested 2 weeks from the court to provide an update on the recovery of the missing girl from Latehar. The Jharkhand High Court has scheduled the next hearing for November 13. Previously, under the High Court's strict orders, the police rescued 15 minor girls and a boy, many of whom had been trafficked to Delhi and other cities with false promises of jobs and money. The Allahabad High Court expressed serious concern over the absence of teachers in the state's primary schools, stating it weakens the foundation of education. Justice Ajay Bhanot directed officials to take strict action against absent teachers. This came in response to a petition by Bulandshahr teacher Poonam Rani, who challenged her transfer due to absenteeism allegations. The court emphasized that transfers are routine and required valid grounds to contest, noting that no employee has a right to remain in one place permanently. Poonam Rani had multiple complaints for tardiness, and the court dismissed her petition for being delayed by 3 years, stressing the need for strict action to improve primary education quality. The Punjab and Haryana High Court has requested a status report from the Punjab government and the Food Corporation of India regarding a petition that calls for the lifting of paddy from storage facilities and space allocation for mild rice for the 2024-25 Kharif procurement season. The petition highlights a storage crisis due to limited space in FCI godowns and the arrival of new paddy in mandis. Farmers across Punjab have been protesting since October 13 over the non-purchase of their paddy. Chief Justice Sheel Nagu and Justice Anil Khetrapal heard the petition, which states that while farmers are harvesting paddy and delivering it to mandis for government purchase, the agencies have failed to buy their produce. The petition warns that delays in purchasing the crop could prevent farmers from receiving timely payments, hindering their ability to repay existing loans and secure new ones, increasing their financial burden. This could severely impact Punjab's economy, which heavily relies on agriculture. The Supreme Court has announced a significant decision to live stream hearings for all cases, expanding the previous practice that only included Constitution Bench hearings. Initiated by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, this marks the first time day-to-day hearings will be broadcast live, with an app currently being tested for this purpose. Following the COVID-19 pandemic, the Supreme Court began live streaming 3 Constitution Bench hearings on YouTube and other social media platforms in 2022. This initiative attracted over 8 lakh viewers to the proceedings on September 27, 2022. The Supreme Court stated that this new measure aims to allow people from remote areas to access court proceedings, thereby enhancing transparency in the judicial process. Watch our special program and share the video to stay updated with the daily proceedings.